Lesson 8 of Volume 2.
Reading practice number 4. Dear friend, several years ago, the Portland School Board called for a band election to provide funds to build a new sports stadium for the public schools, period. At that time, the city faced many financial problems, and there was a great deal of opposition to any increase in taxes, period. The bond issue was defeated by a narrow margin, paragraph. Portland is now in better financial condition, and the school board has called another board election to try once again to get the approval of the voters, period. We need the assistance of every voter in the city, period. I hope you will give the matter great deal of consideration and cast your ballot in favor of the bond issue this year, paragraph. The young people of the city are depending on you, period. It will give them a facility of unmatched excellence, and it will be a great asset to Portland, period. Sincerely yours, Reading practice number 5. Dear friends, the Portland School Board is called a band election in October to finance a new sports stadium for the public schools, period. I am sure you are aware of the need for a new stadium in the city, period. The old one was built many years ago and is badly in need of repair, period. Unfortunately, we would have to spend more to repair the old stadium than it would cost to build a new one, paragraph. It seems that the logical thing to do is to construct a new facility, period. The school board has chosen a new site near the interstate highway that seems to be the best place for a new stadium, paragraph. The young people of our city deserve your confidence and your assistance, period. Please give your support to help them obtain this new facility, period. Vote for the bond issue in October, period. Very cordially yours, comma. Reading practice number 6. Dear Mr. Porter, colon, as you know, comma, the school board is calling a special election to attempt to finance the construction of a new stadium for the public schools, paragraph. I am sure you will remember that several years ago, a similar bond issue was called, period. At that time, the issue was soundly defeated, period. The people clearly showed their preference to repair the old stadium rather than to build a new one, period. The principal reason for the defeat was the large increase in taxes that would resulted from the issuance of the bonds, period. The same problem exists today, period. Every resident of Portland will face a large increase in taxes if the issue is passed, paragraph. Most of the citizens of our city believe that the old stadium can be renovated at a small fraction of the cost of building a new one, period. Please join the group of people who are vitally interested in keeping the cost of running our local schools at the least possible amount while furnishing quality education for our youth, period. Vote no in the upcoming bond election, period. Yours truly, comma. Reading practice number 7. Dear Miss Kenny, colon, because I have maintained residents of Salt Lake City for many years, I am in a good position to know the special needs of our city, period. Because I was a teacher at Utah College for many years, I am in a particularly good position to know the educational needs of our students, period. As a voter, you are in the position to help elect me to the Utah Board of Regents in the election to be held next month, paragraph. My background in teaching management, finance, and accounting, and my dedication to education make me the best choice for the position, period. I am an independent candidate and am not aligned with any political party in the state, period. Please help me and your state by casting your ballot for me in the upcoming election, period. Very truly yours, Reading practice number 8. Dear Mr. Lopez, I want to take this opportunity to thank you for the wonderful assistance and support that you gave me during the recent political campaign, period. As you know, I was not successful in winning a seat on the school board, but I feel that my efforts were well spent, paragraph. The goodwill that was created during the campaign has given me the confidence to run for office again next year, period. In fact, I am already beginning to lay the groundwork for the next election, period. I hope, Mr. Lopez, that you will again serve on my election committee, paragraph. If you are interested in working with me again, please let me know as soon as possible, period. If we begin work soon, I am confident that I can win the next election, period. Sincerely yours,